How to add a zoom with a motion blur.
Ain't no superhero, ain't no paper bearer. Face your fear, you ain't no painted mirror. Ain't no Satan in the face of mirror. Ain't no superhero, ain't no paper bearer. Face your fear, you ain't no painted mirror.
Okay, first up, open up Resolve, Davinci Resolve. It's the best video editing software you can get. You can try it out. Check out the link in the description if you haven't already. First up, we open a clip. Make sure it's under the playhead. In the edit tab, any clip, doesn't matter. But make sure you want to zoom it, right? Otherwise, there's no point. Now we select any clip, we check out the fusion tab, click on the fusion, media in, press shift and space, which brings the select tool. You can pick up tools from here, select transform, press add. There's a transform node added. Now what you do, make keyframes. Make a keyframe on the first one, keyframe the size and the center. You don't need to touch the pivot, aspect, angle, flip, whatever. Just change the center, change the size, right? Currently the size is at 1.0 and now what you want to do, you want to zoom in, right? So we make keyframes here. Keyframes are those pieces of information that tell a property what to do. Keyframes are like a variable. Keyframes basically are the variables for the properties that any clip may have. So we use keyframes to animate things. Now zoom is an animation because we are moving the frames, right? So for zooming in, we just need to bother with size and center. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a keyframe over here. I'll create a keyframe at the center because that's what will move. Now what I'll do, as you can see, there's a solid white marker over here. As you can see, there's a solid white mark over here that tells us that this place is a keyframe in the entire clip. Now what we do is we move a little forward in the clip in the fusion tab and we zoom in. When you zoom in, you see that this gray keyframe turns to red. That's what indicates the keyframe. If you move it, you see it's changing, the size is changing. The size is changing as mentioned in the description of this property. Well, it's not the description, but it's the property. And that's basically your animation. You can check it out over here. Yeah, that's beautiful. Right now what we'll do is we'll add motion blur. How will you do that? You don't press shift, space and motion blur, no. And that's not free in Davinci Resolve. That's for Davinci Resolve Studio. So what I'll do is I'll go to settings and I'll click on motion blur. Increase your quality. Let the shutter angle be 180. You can change it according to your needs, but generally it's kept at 180 by most of the people. And don't change these things. Make sure to enable your use GPU because that's more effective in your memory. Won't use your processor, it would be faster. GPU is a great thing. See, voila. And that's how you create the zoom, the motion blur in Davinci Resolve, the best video editing software present ever. That's it for today. Bye. Yeah, we'll catch you soon. Take care.